When Rolls-Royce rode into Moscow in 2004, Russia's car market was considered to be going places. But the ongoing troubles between Ukraine and Russia has seen the ruble tumble, causing many to hold off on buying big-ticket items such as luxury cars. Last month saw demand for cars in Russia fall 27%. Sarwant Singh from Frost & Sullivan says it's tough now, but things will get better.
The bad news is the sales have declined and will decline over the years till we see some sort of resolution to the political issues. But on the good side, what we are finding is that we will see more growth of smaller cars, more fuel-efficient cars.
Car executives at this year's Paris Car Show have been swapping tales of how sanctions over Ukraine is impacting their business. Daimler has cut its global growth forecast by 1% from 4 to 5%, blaming a cooling in Russia as well as other emerging markets too. Ford's new chief exec, Mark Field, says it will miss a profit forecast for the year thanks to higher recall costs in North America and steeper losses in Russia and South America.
What we've seen is, despite a lot of progress in a place like Russia, which we believe over the long term will be one of the largest markets in Europe, the economy is down, so we've had to adjust, and that's been part of the reason we had to adjust our guidance, but still on a good trajectory.
Despite Russia's wobbles, BMW says it's sticking to its 2014 sales forecast for Europe. It says it's in talks on building a factory in Russia, but that there was no time pressure. Peugeot's chief, Maxime Piquet, says their goal is to be less dependent on Europe in the future.
We need to be less European, more internationalized. This is one of our targets because sometimes Europe has an issue or there is a geopolitical issue in Russia, and we need to have a more balanced footprint of our commercial performance if we want to be able to balance future problem issues of forex, of political whatever in the world.
The Russian car market may be looking like a dead end for now, but it could provide a fast lane to growth in the future when Moscow and Ukraine settle their differences, and car makers will be ready when they do.